In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and complete a purchase on DHgate, an online marketplace that connects buyers directly with manufacturers primarily in China. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to this particular platform, this guide will help you smoothly go through the process and address some key functionalities on the site. First, let's start by heading over to the DHgate website. You can simply open your web browser and type in the URL for DHgate or search for it through any search engine you prefer. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a wide array of products ranging from electronics and clothing to outdoor equipment and more. Take your time to browse through the categories or use the search bar to find something specific that catches your interest. Now, once you've found a product you'd like to purchase, click on it to view the product details. Here, you'll want to carefully read the description, check the features, and take a look at the product's ratings and reviews. Pay attention to customer feedback, as this can provide valuable insights into the product quality and the seller's reliability. When you're satisfied with your choice, select any options like size or color if applicable, and then add the item to your cart. With your product selected, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you will finalize your purchase. At this point, you'll likely need to sign into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Having an account allows you to track your order, message the supplier, and manage your payment methods more effectively. Once you're on the checkout page, you'll see a section labeled Pay with Card. Here's where you can manage your payment methods. You might notice a list of cards you've previously saved to your account. If you decide you no longer wish to use a certain card, simply click on the trash icon beside the card details to remove it from your account. Keeping your payment information up to date is crucial for a smooth transaction. After ensuring your payment information is correct and choosing your preferred payment method, you can go ahead and complete your purchase. Upon completion, you'll typically receive a confirmation email with all the details of your order, including an estimated delivery date. This email is important, so keep it handy in case you need to reference it later. Congratulations, you're done. You've successfully navigated DHgate from browsing to purchase. Remember, if you have any issues during the process, DHgate's customer service is available to assist you. Enjoy shopping and exploring the broad range of products this platform has to offer. Thank you for joining me today in mastering your shopping experience on DHgate.